Hi guys, this is GIS and remote sensing basic YouTube channel. In this video, we go to see how to prepare a lineament and lineament density map in our GIS. Okay. If you're newly watching this channel, subscribe it for upcoming videos. Okay. This is a digital elevation model data. Using this data, we go to prepare a lineament and lineament density map. For lineament and lineament density map, first of all I am going to select one steady area, which area I want to create a lineament and lineament density map. Okay, now I add one steady area from my folder. Okay, see, this is my steady area. For this area we go to digitize the lineament. For the lineament preparation, I am going to select a arc toolbox. Loading. Okay, in the arc toolbox you select the spatial analysis tool. In that I am going to select the surface and hillshade. Using hillshade map we go to prepare the lineament. Okay, here I select the digital elevation model data, and you see the azimuth is 315 and altitude is 45. This is the first combination. We go to prepare four different combination of hillshade map. Using that four different composition hillshade map, we go to digitize the lineament map. Okay, this is the first combination. I rename it in 315 and 45 elevation for my reference. Okay, the next one, the same demo, and I am going to change it in 200 as azimuth and 50 is altitude. This is the second combination. Okay, see, this is the second one. I change the name 250. Okay, now third one. Third combination is 160. See, this is the third one. Now last one. 50, 90. Azimuth is 50, altitude is 90. For better output, you can create any number of hillshade for your reference. See, this is the fourth one. I rename it is 50 90. Okay. See the 4 different hill shades. Okay. For a lineament preparation, I am going to create, first of all I am going to create one shapefile, lineament shapefile. It is actually line format. See, I am selecting the new and shapefile here. Shapefile name is lineament and feature type is polyline. And here I am select the projection system. It is actually 44N, UTM zone 44N. Okay, fine. The lineament shapefile is created. See, this is the one. Now I start the digitizing, start editing. I already uploaded a video for how to create a shapefile and digitizing it. See, lineament is linear feature. It is naturally formed. Okay, here you see the fracture zone, fault zone, and the linear features. These are all the lineaments. You digitize it, that's fault and fractures, by using this lineament shapefile like this. See, I increase the size of that lines. Okay, see, these are the lineaments. Like this you can digitize all the lineaments in the study area. Okay, hill, ridges and valleys also the lineaments. See, this way the lineament map is preparing. This is the manual way. Actually I am digitized using the first combination hillshade image. Okay, now I select the second one. In this image we can identify other lineaments which are not visible in that previous combination. See, these are all not visible in that combination. I have already uploaded a video for how to prepare the hillshade image separately. I have attached the link for hillshade preparation in that description also. Please check it. Now I select the third one. See, here you see the new one, lineaments. In this way you can create number of hillshade combinations for better output. Now I go for the last combination. Only one or two lineaments are there in this image. Okay, now it is finished. Okay, these are all the lineaments in this area. Now I give the save edits and stop editing. Okay, this is the lineament map. Now the lineament density map. For lineament density, you go to select the spatial analysis tool. In that you select the density. In that you select the line density option. Okay, in that you select the input polyline feature is our lineament, and population field is none. Okay, in that environment you select the process extent only for steady area, same as the layer steady area. And raster analysis also you can select the in mask only for steady area. For result is comes only for our steady area. Okay, here we see the density mapper came. The density is sorry, see the densities started from 0 to 1.94. You can change the symbology color also. Select the symbology, and that you can change the color for better view. See the density where the lineament intersections are presented. In that place the higher densities are available. See the center of image, the red is higher density and the pink is compared to red it is lower. In this way the density map is prepared automatically. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you.